Hi sisters. Okay, so it's 11:32 at night and that's not good. But a lot of you guys have been asking me to recreate one of James Charles' looks. Great. So the ironic part about this is that I actually don't own any makeup and I don't do anything with makeup. I'm not good at it. Well, I don't think I am. I've legitimately never tried. So we're going to be trying to recreate one of James Charles' most complicated looks on our face. So I'm going to go with this recreating my followers' makeup face charts. So this one requires a lot of colors. So what I did is I ransacked my sister's makeup drawer because she's not a big makeup person, but for her guard, she has to use makeup. And here's her palette that she uses. It has like legitimately like every color of the rainbow except for orange and yellow, which seem to be a pretty prominent thing in this palette, or in this look. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with that, but it looks like she's kind of like destroyed this blue shade. So that's great. I also have a couple of other products. I think this is an eyeshadow brush, I'm not sure. I know that this, hold on, where is it? Am I sitting on it? Yeah, I'm sitting on it. I don't think that's good. This brush is definitely not an eyeshadow brush. Like, you're definitely not supposed to put this anywhere near your eye. I think it's like maybe a contour brush, maybe a blush. I don't know. But I brought it because I wasn't sure what James was going to pull at us or throw at us. And yeah, I also have this one. I think this is an what's this called? An eyebrow brush. But I also have this, just in case. We never know. I have a mascara wand because I actually know how to use this. So hopefully that pulls the look together. I have some concealer, I think. I don't know. It just looked like something he'd use, but just really cheap. So I bought that. And then I have some eyeshadow primers. I have a glitter primer, first of all, and then I have an eyeshadow primer. I don't know what's the difference, and I don't know how you use them, but I'm sure Sister James Charles will tell me how. So, let's get on with the video. I have the video pulled up. I'm not going to use the volume because, well, actually I am, because I kind of need that. Okay, so that makes me a little more confident because I don't have anything else other than eyeshadow. So I'm just going to be creating the eyes. Okay. Alright, so he uses an orange with a brush. I should probably take my glasses off, which isn't a good idea. Ooh. Okay. He uses an orange shade. I don't really have an orange, so I'm gonna use this like reddish shade and hope for the best. So he's like, oh, I'm so scared. Ooh. I'm going to fall. That's like really dark compared to his, but it's fine. Okay. So he like blended his out over here. Oh my gosh. This is not going well. I mean, it doesn't look like his at all. I feel like mine needs to be a little bit more pigmented. What's a good shade for this? Oh, I have a mirror right here. Oh, that's actually a lot better than the camera. I feel like I should go back in with the orange shade because that was actually giving me pigment and this one isn't. We're not doing too well. Let me put on my glasses so I can actually see what this looks like. Why does it look like that? Okay, you know what? We're just gonna go with it. He's using orange now? Ugh, okay. I'm gonna use this really dark orange. Oh my gosh. This is not going well. So I'm gonna go in with this shade. What did I do to my face? Oh my gosh, I'm so scared. Okay. But I have a picture of the final look, and I'm just gonna try to recreate it, because at this point, it's not gonna go well if I just follow him directly, because I don't think he exactly knows how bad I'm doing. Shoot. I'm legitimately trying, guys. Oh my god. I'm trying to just blend it out to make it look good, and it just doesn't. Okay, so we got like more orangey shades down here. Oh my gosh. What am I doing to my face? Okay, so overall, I did terrible. I'm willing to accept that I did terrible. I have to go get this off. I'm gonna bring you guys with me. Is that legitimately water? Okay, so update. It's a couple hours later, and I got it off. It's fine. Overall, I hated that experience. I don't know why I did it. Like, I don't know why I just didn't stop while my face was clean and I didn't feel like my eyeballs were literally bulging out of my sockets. I'm sorry that wasn't very good and entertaining. I really, really tried. It's just, I'm so tired, so I'm sorry. Anyway, I gotta edit 3 more videos tonight, so I gotta go. I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching.